Hey guys, this is Rachel from Blue Jane Creations, and I just wanted to come on and do a super quick introduction to this video. This is the full version to a shorts video that just got put up. I wanted to give the fuller version for those of you that like to watch the whole process of something being made. And I didn't speed it up too much, a little bit just to cut down on time, but it should not bug you if any of you have any problems watching the super speed ups. But in any case, as the title of this video it says, I want to put this up here as an encouragement to definitely step up your crafting game, to let yourself go outside of those lines, so to speak, that don't, that you don't have to feel like you have to be locked into the traditional crafting and you only do this and you can only do that. I make a lot of the wedding cards, and a lot of them are not going to be what would be considered traditional. I think the closest I get to that is if someone needs a card and they need to mail it, then obviously I have to keep the dimensions very flat. But again, there are still ways to step outside of that box and still make it mailable, if that makes sense. So just let your creativity show through. Don't feel hampered that you have to only do what the instructions say. Case in point, the bridal embellishment I'm working with here in this video is super cute, and I enjoyed it. But I got it home and I'm looking at it and I'm like, no, it needs something. It needs a little something. And it was bugging me, and it took a minute to think about it. And then I'm like, hey, you put lace on the other stuff. Why don't you put it on this one? So that's exactly what I'm doing. And the background itself is not traditional. I used a really pretty paper pad from Hobby Lobby with like rainbow colors over a map. And there you go. And it's really pretty. And then the vellum takes it down so it's not overshadowing the bride, the bridal element, but yet you can still see it, and it gives it interest. It's still pretty. I can still add the flowers and the butterfly little embellishments you'll see in just a minute. But it is different, and it is outside of the box. I could go to the store and I don't know if I would find another card where the artist used a map as a background for a wedding card. And yet you can still make it look really pretty. And that's what I love, and that's what I am putting this intro up to, just to remind you and to encourage you. Don't shutter your creativity. So I'm going to leave you here, let you enjoy the rest of the video with some music. But go outside those lines if you feel like it. That's my message to you. And in the meantime, thank you guys so much for hanging out. Take care, stay safe, and I will definitely be seeing you guys in the next video.
Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. The leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. And I'm taking, darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you for the rest of my life. Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I